Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will discuss for this week about the topic. The fifth topic for this session is about the atom molecules and the ion. Let's start with the review point of the development theory in atom theory. As we have learned that Dalton theory is one of theory that propose about the atom as the smallest particle, and followed by the Thomson that prove atom is not the smallest, but atom has the subparticle, which the particle it's in his opinion, it's like we have a ball, positive ball, and has negative charge as like raisin cake. And it's also then followed by another scientist, which is we call it as Rutherford theory. And Rutherford found that the electrons or the negative in the Rutherford theory, he found that the positive charge is in the nucleus, but then he found that there's an empty space in the atom. Here picture of the Rutherford theory that the electron is small and rotate in the positive charge in the nucleus, and it has an empty space. Then Bohr come with the theory to explain about the electron that has a energy pocket, and he also assumed the orbit for the electron place. Schrödinger come to make an improve of the Bohr, which by the Heisenberg principle we might not be able to predict the the electron position directly. We can make some approach with the quantum number, and we been discussed it in the previous topic. Here the picture show you about the how we know about the Chadwick until found the neutron. Electron mass it's only 9.1 times 10 power minus 28, so it's very small compared to the protons, which the protons is equal with 2000 times of the electron mass. That's why we may abandon the electron mass to. So Chadwick found the neutrons by compare the helium and the hydrogen, and we also know familiar with the new subparticle which called as neutron, which is neutron is has no charge but it has a mass. As we know that the atomic has neutral charge, so we can make an assumption that positive charge will equal with the negative charge in the atom. So the electron will have the total number that equal to protons and the electron. And the mass of can assume that the mass of an atom is equal with the number of the protons and the total number of the neutron, and it's symbolized as A, while the electron total numbers it's equal with the protons because it has a positive charge. The isotope, we have the isotope, which is isotope is same elements with different total numbers of a neutron, so it will have the same atomic number but it will have the different mass number. Now let's go to the concept review. How many electrons, protons, and neutrons in the natrium? Here we have natrium that it has an atomic number 11 and the mass number is 22. Z number of electron is atomic number, and also it's same or equal with the number of the protons, which is 11, And the A, or the mass number, is the number of neutrons, which is the number of neutrons we can make a calculation 22 minus 11, and it will give the result neutron is 11. For our question, we will discuss only two of them, which the first is cuprum, which the cuprum it has by the table periodic we have a known, we have an information the atomic number of the cuprum is 29 and the mass number is 63. So we can have an information for this is the atomic number of the cuprum is 29 and equal with the number of the protons, while the neutrons it will have to the formula, follow the formula, which the formula is neutron is equal with the A minus Z. Question: what is atomic number for an atom that one of isotope has mass number 185 and neutrons total number 117? Is proton and neutron total number. So from this mass number and the information about the neutron total, we can have the proton total numbers. So from the information, the proton total numbers is equal with 199 minus 117, and it will give the number 78. Remember that the protons is equal with the electrons because it has a neutral charge. So the atomic number for this element is 78.